Indian liquor baron Dr. Vijay Mallya is the chairman of Indian conglomerate UB Group. He is the son of the famous industrialist Vittal Mallya. Forbes magazine ranks him as the 746th richest person in the world with a whopping net worth of $1 billion. Mallya was born in Kolkata and did his graduation from the University of Calcutta. उनका पालन पोषण बहुत ही सामान्य तरीके से हुआ and he used to commute to college by trains and buses. At the age of 27, he took over as the chairman of UB following the untimely death of his father in 1983. Termed as a playboy by the business fraternity, claimed that he would squander away the inherited fortune, he quickly proved himself as an astute deal maker. उनके सफल नेतृत्व में UB Group has grown into a multinational conglomerate of over 60 companies and in the process acquired several companies abroad. Popularly known for its hard liquor and Kingfisher beer, the UB Group has gradually diversified from alcoholic beverages to life sciences, engineering, agriculture, chemicals, information technology, and leisures. At a time when aviation market was dominated by the state-owned Indian Airlines and privately owned Jet Airways, followed by the smaller Air Sahara, brash risk-taking businessmen discarded the no-frills concept and launched Kingfisher Airlines in 2005 with the catchy slogan, "The King of Good Times." Mallya first faced a major trouble in 2012 when Kingfisher Airlines was grounded after years of financial woes. The airline did not make any profit since its launch in 2005. But Mallya spent extravagantly on advertising and marketing, even as the airline continued to make losses. The final nail on the coffin, however, was Kingfisher's acquisition of Air Deccan in 2007, which resulted in huge debt for the company. Within 5 years, the company ceased operations. But none of these business debacles blunted Mallya's propensity to spend. Even as an unprofitable Kingfisher was stalling, Mallya dished out $1.8 million to buy a handful of Mahatma Gandhi's belongings in an auction in New York in 2008. 5 years earlier, in 2003, he had bought the sword of former ruler of Mysore, Tipu Sultan, for 1.5 crore rupees and kept on churning out India's hottest calendar featuring bikini-clad Kingfisher models. उन्हें देश और विदेश हर जगह पुरस्कार से नवाजा गया. He was conferred as a doctorate of philosophy in business administration by the Southern California University, Irvine. He has also been nominated as the global leader for tomorrow by the World Economic Forum. Mallya is the first Indian ever to become the owner of Force India Formula One, which is also India's first ever Formula One team and represents the country's first truly global sports foray. He is also the owner of popular IPL team Royal Challengers Bangalore. Having his plate full, Mallya ने 2000 में राजनीति में कदम रखा and superseded Subramaniam Swamy as the president of Janata Party, a breakaway faction of the original Janata Dal Party. He is presently the member of Rajya Sabha and probably the only MP with diamond earstuds. इंडिया के रिचर्ड ब्रैंसन नाम से मशहूर Mallya currently has 26 residences around the world. His main home is in Sausalito, California, which is built on an area of 11,000 square feet. A person who works 7 days a week, Mallya asserts, "I'm not here to impress anybody. God knows what I do because He guides me. I don't need recognition from anybody else. Look at my products, be it beer, vodka, whiskey, the rum, whatever it is. I always refresh my product. I do not go to sleep saying that I have a winner here. That is where I caught jet napping. I have learned how to raise the bar."